This is the first time we see Jesus Christ sending out his 12 without him. So point number one, we understand that Jesus Christ is not only a theoretical teacher, he's also a practical teacher. For we understand that we don't grow in what we know, we grow in what we do. So Jesus Christ has called them and taught them for a very long time. Now he's giving them a platform to practice what he has been teaching them, so that he will know where they are lacking, so that he will rectify them, so that they can be so that they can be able to operate in that dimension that he ordained them to operate. We don't grow in what we know, we grow in what we do. The more you consume knowledge without applying it, something, I'm not sure if this is proper English, something that I call intellectual obesity. You know, you are pumping your mind with a lot of knowledge and then you are applying none. That's why your head is so big and puffed up and then you don't have any results to show. You have good talk, but you don't have good walk. Your speech is now, but you don't have any results to show. Why? You fell for that trap of that quote that says, knowledge is power. Knowledge is not power, but knowledge is partial power. It only becomes power when you apply it. So now we learn from scriptures, more especially from James chapter number 1, verse number 22. The Lord himself is saying in the word, do not be what? Hearers of the word, deceiving yourself, but be what? Doers. Then he explains ukuthi umuntu olizwayo izwa ngalenzi kunjani. Uthi ufana nomuntu osibuka esibukweni immediately when he turns away he has forgotten how he looks. But I love especially the narration there Jesus Christ is coming with, chapter number 7 of the book of Matthew from verses number 24. He said, whosoever hear these words of mine and do them, he is likened unto a man that builds his house upon the rock. Storms will come, wind will come, but the house will stand because he's built upon the rock. So immediately when you hear the voice of God and apply it, you are likened unto a wise man that is building his house upon a rock. What does that tell us? The storms of life will come, the winds of life will come, the rains of life will come, but rest assured you will stand because you are built upon the rock. The reason why you are falling is because you are a consumer of the word of God, not a practitioner. A practitioner. You come to church each and every day, but your life does not have fruits of someone who goes to church. Guys, let me tell you something. There is no place on earth that teaches out high value knowledge like in the house of